Hey guys, the J24 is here. Let's check it out. We're gonna put this thing together right now. By the way, we also have a bunch of t-shirt press machines too. All right, out with the old, in with the new. All right, guys, we got the J24 all set up here and assembled. If you guys need to see how that's done, jump over to Jay's Printers YouTube channel, and they got a video on how to put those things together. But right now we got it plugged in. We're gonna power it on for the first time. Doesn't even have the computer hooked up yet. Let's just check this thing out. Let's see what happens. Might scream at us, but we did stick some ink in the ink well, so it shouldn't. All right, here we go. Power it on. All right, so the feature, my favorite thing on this is this, gotta be this lever. Lift that up, we can move the paper in and out easily to fix any issues. And believe it or not, there's a lever on the back also. Up and down the same way. So this is 24-inch film in here. You can see we can actually put in probably 26-inch film. Right now, this is doing the white ink circulation. It's circulating white ink. So it circulates white ink and it heats the ink, and it's got the mixer for the ink, for the white ink. We got our sensors here. If we turn them off, our ink level sensors, if we run out of ink, these lights will turn on and it'll beep at us, tell us to remind us to put on ink. Each reservoir holds 1.5 liters. So you won't have to be putting ink in all the time. Pretty cool, really. Let's see how this thing moves back and forth. So our capping station moves down, move to the left and right. It has strike sensors on the left and right. You can see right here and here. So if your film were to come up, or for whatever reason, for turning vacuum table, that will hit your strike sensor and save your print heads. So this model uses the i1600 heads for DTF ink. It is upgradable to 3200 heads. All we have to do is change out the heads and update the firmware, and you can do the 3200 heads. So a lot of people have been doing 1600 heads, and then in 18 months to 24 months, when the heads decide to go out, about 2 years, you can upgrade to 3200 heads if you want, or keep the 16s, which are actually really good heads and print really fast. Nice and smooth, look at that. Back and forth. So our power switches are over here. Turn on our preheat, our ink heat, and then the film heat. Now this is our interface. So you can just take a look at the interface. We can clean right here. We can do nozzle checks. We can set our base point, which is your margin. If you need to set a different margin right here from the screen, just move the head over. Just like the J650, you press the enter button and it returns back to home. Quick margin, so a lot of features there. All right, this is your heat. We'll turn on the heat for our ink. All right, so the combo for the J24 comes with the 24-inch shaker. This is the compact high-speed shaker for the i1600 heads. You know, we got add our powder right in here, shaker door here. But what the best feature is this comes down, doesn't take up so much room in your office. We just open these guys up here. And there's your oven space here. So this runs on your standard 110 volts. 20 amps would be enough to run your printer and your heater together. We offer this as a combo at a significant discount with the oven, with the film, with the powder, all that good stuff. And it comes with a full set of 1 liter bottles of your DTF ink, the iMagic DTF ink. This stuff's pretty good. 1 kilogram of the DTF powder. Also comes with 24 inches of your DTF film or your PET film for printing t-shirts. And also, guys, we got the new J13, the 13-inch DTF printer for like the hobbyists. I'm going to be reviewing and going over this machine with videos of this. Make sure you take a look at that. By the way, also comes with the oven. So that's kind of cool. So that's the J24. I'm so excited to have this in the shop. I'm going to be making lots of videos and content with this machine and this oven. It's subscribed so you guys can see that. But for now, I've got to get this video over with so I can get my computer hooked up and get this thing operating, making money for me. All right, guys, I'm Jay. That's my to-do list. Thanks for stopping.